My name's Lynne Plowman, I'm a composer and my piece is called The Wind Sweepers. UPROAR is an amazing ensemble. It's got pretty much one of everything that you would find in an orchestra, but everybody is a soloist. So there's one viola, one cello. We've got two violins. So you have a string quartet and then you have a single brass section, single woodwind instruments, and two percussionists and a piano. And with that combination, you can actually make a really huge sound, but also a very detailed sound. So everybody is playing solo lines, and for the composer, it's very much about balancing those. Which instrument do you want to hear at any one point? What do you focus in on as a soloist? So in my piece, it starts with the whole ensemble playing these very kind of slow-moving chords that gradually build, and in my imagination, it's like the very sort of slow beginnings of a wind turbine starting up, and you get these kind of slow-moving circular chordal patterns with everybody working together. And then it kind of splinters off as the music gets faster. You hear little kind of repeated circular ideas that the instruments have, and they kind of chase after each other. And it's like the wind's kind of moving through these kind of turning turbines, and that's the kind of quality of texture that I'm looking for in the music.